This is how you use your Najell Original Volume 3 from day 1. Start by removing the belt to set it up for the newborn stage. Connect the two turquoise zippers, then lock them by pressing the zipper puller. Adjust the back strap. It should sit low on your back for support. Put the baby carrier on over your head like a t-shirt. Open the buckles fully. Place your baby. Put the baby's legs inside the openings. Close the magnetic buckles. They click easily into place. Adjust the straps for a snug and secure fit. If you don't want the straps hanging loosely, you can fold them together using the turquoise elastic. Use the cord adjusters by the neck support to shorten the front panel. Tilt your baby's legs into the M position. Make sure your baby's back forms a natural C shape. And check that your baby is close enough to kiss. This is how to use your original in the baby position. Zip the belt back on. Make sure the zipper is locked. Open the buckle. Tighten the waist belt so it sits snug but comfortable around your waist. Close the back buckle and secure the Velcro. If you don't want the straps dangling, fold them together using the turquoise elastic. Put the carrier on over your head. Open the buckles fully. Place your baby facing you. Place the baby's legs inside the openings. Close the magnetic buckles. Tilt your baby's legs into the M position for good support. You're all set for your next adventure together. This is how you add the booster seat to your original Volume 3. Open the top zipper fully and tuck the flap into the pocket. Open the bottom zipper to make space for the booster seat. Insert the booster seat into the opening. Close the bottom zipper. Then close the top zipper to attach the booster seat and waist belt to the carrier. And that's it! This is how you use the original with the booster seat facing you. Open the buckle. Fasten the waist belt and secure the back buckle and Velcro. Put the carrier on over your head. Open the magnetic buckles fully. Place your baby facing you. Place the baby's legs inside the openings. Close the magnetic buckles and adjust the straps. If you don't want the straps hanging loosely, you can fold them together using the turquoise elastic. That's it! From 5 months, you can carry your baby facing out. This is how. Open the buckle. Fasten the waist belt and back buckle. Put the carrier on over your head. Open the magnetic buckles fully. Place your baby in the forward-facing position. Pop the baby's legs in on each side. And close the magnetic buckles. Adjust the straps for support. If the straps are hanging loose, fold them together. Make sure your baby's legs are in the M position and enjoy the world together. After 5 to 6 months, you can carry on your back. Gently loosen the shoulder straps and waist belt. Carefully slide your baby onto your back, supporting them with your arms, and make sure they're seated securely. Tighten the side straps for support. And you're ready. Close, hands-free, and comfortable. You can also use the Najell Original as a hip seat. This is how. Unzip and remove the upper part of the carrier. Fasten the hip belt securely. Place your baby on your hip. Perfect for short carries.